Good morning. Out for another, just doing a day hike this time, not doing an overnighter. In the Heathcote National Park, and I'm heading out to Lake Eckersley, which is a spot I've been to before. It's quite nice. Beautiful day again today. We had a bit of rain yesterday. I actually had a huge storm come through the other day. It was really quite wild, so should be a bit of water in the river. So I've just started this trail at Heathcote and heading down towards the pipeline track, which I've been on a few times recently. And then I'll just follow the pipeline track for a couple of kilometres up to where Lake Eckersley track is. And yeah, so it should be a pretty short walk today. But just nice to get out, get some fresh air, and get some exercise. Well, I've just made it to Lake Eckersley. This is such a beautiful spot. It's just, super clean water and just really calm and peaceful. So I'm just going to go and explore further up along the river now and sort of see, because I think from Google Earth I can see that there's some sort of a sandy open area up around the corner, so that might be a nice spot to go and check out as well. So yeah, what a beautiful day. This is the beach at the back end of Lake Eckersley. This looks like a perfect swimming hole. Water is really clean, really clear. So I was just sitting up on this rock over here having lunch. Had some toasted bagels and cream cheese. That was pretty nice. Kind of toasted them up on my little stove. I'm on my way back to Heathcote now. I've spent the day down at Lake Eckersley and just exploring around there and had some lunch, which was nice. Now I'm back on I'm on the friendly track this time, heading back up towards Heathcote Station. So this is only a short day walk, not an overnighter. So it's just good to get out while the weather was nice. And so thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.